This looks super cool. Patio do Quina. These patios are amazing because they're just little pedestrian alleyways and things like that. Before we go down Patio Quina, there's a beautiful temple right there. We should also do that one before we go into the patio. We'll do that as well. But this is going to be our focus, so. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna go into this little patio in a minute, but before we do, which I think the patio is usually there's like a one-way, but there's this beautiful temple right there, and it's not very easy to get across, so we have to see if we can see how easy it is to get across. There's a beautiful temple right there. Well, anyways, I did do another video where that would have been a little bit of a focus, but let's just kind of see what's in here. And if it goes all the way through, then it goes all the way through. But if it has a one-way, then we'll have to come back. Look at a little restaurant. Looks like they have, let's see, it's all written in Chinese. Mango. Let's see here. It definitely looks like kind of Macanese because they have the noodles as well. So they got let me show you this one right here. I don't know what he said exactly, but so this right here, you got like noodles and you got the pork chop bun as well. So I'm pretty sure this has like some really good food in here. Love to eat in there. I think it said come on in, but I don't know. GI, the boutique. Okay. This is going to be our focus right here, but there's like these little boutiques in here too. Yeah, you just think it's just an alley, right? And then you find out there's a lot more. So yeah, this one has a ton of little boutiques everywhere. So it's just kind of look at a little briefly. This kind of goes in through layer and layer. So there's all boutique shops in here. I think I could go that way and come out the same spot, but then you might miss something. Got video games as well, or video DVDs maybe. The cat store. See, actually that one would be amazing. I wonder if they have an English menu. So yeah, this is these little patios. So these little patios have a lot of cool stuff everywhere. Apartments. Looks like our patio might be ending. And there's boutiques kind of going like that. Yeah, if you see a patio, you should definitely explore it. They always got cool stuff in here. And now we're out at a street. We're at a Hua. And this is actually a shopping street, so we have all the shopping down that way and down that way as well. And you got a Daiso in the corner as well. So anyways, let's go back, check out that temple, because yeah, some of the patios are, sometimes they're enclosed. What's that one? Looks like that one has like a double story in there, so there's a woman that's organizing something there. This works out well because I think we can come back now and check out our little temple, at least give you a little taste of it. I really want to check that out and see what's in there. So we're just going to end it in this temple, see if I can get through these spikes, or if I have to go all the way around them. I think I can go through it. Yeah, those bikes are, and there's all the other bikes. See if we can get through. Technically I have to wait for all of this, and then we're gonna go check out that temple right there. But I don't know, it might take a little while to get through. Okay, we can get through right here. Yeah, this temple overlooks it. And this is pretty cool looking. So we'll just go in just briefly and kind of see some of it. We won't go in very far, but all the details as well. And the trees. Got bamboo trees. All kinds of beautiful stuff in here. Yeah, it's nice. I don't want to walk in because I want to show my respect to it. So that's our, so this is this one and that. And I'll show you our alley as well. And that's our alley right there. So that's the alley that we just took. So kind of interesting. Tiny little alley right in there.